So hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about LGAC error codes, especially those error codes those are belongs to temperature sensors. So these are 9 kind of error codes, as you can see: CH01, 02, 06, 08, 13, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So these 9 error codes are belongs to sensors, temperature sensors. So as you can see in the list, error types, CH01 is stand for indoor unit air temperature sensor. So whenever your indoor unit air temperature sensor will be faulty, CH01 will appear in your display. So as you can see, CH02 indoor unit pipe inlet temperature sensor error, 06 indoor unit pipe outlet temperature sensor error, and the meaning of 08 water tank temperature sensor error. CH13 means solar thermal sensor error. CH16 water inlet outlet temperature sensor error. CH17 water inlet temperature sensor error. CH18 water outlet temperature sensor error, and the last one is CH19. So the meaning is electric heater water outlet sensor error. So as you can see, error point is indoor unit sensor is open or short. All these error, how you can fix out, let me show you the flowchart. Whenever you face these all error, so what would be the reasons? As you can see, indoor unit PCB wrong connection, and the second one is indoor unit PCB failure maybe, and the third and main reason is sensor problem. So if you're facing in all these problems, all these errors, so there is only one solution. As you can see in the chart, this is flow chart. So go step by step. Is sensor properly connected to the PCB? You must have to check. If not, connect it properly into the PCB. And is the sensor detector installed in the original position or right place? So check this one also, and connect properly to the PCB. And now, is the sensor connector pin missing or is the sensor wire is damaged? So you must have to check if the sensor is damaged. If have problem inside in the sensor, damaged or short, so you can change the sensor. After that, you can check if the sensor resistance value is normal. So the resistance value of the sensor is normal or not. You must have to check this one with your multimeter. If not, change the sensor. If sensor is also in normal condition, so last option is change the PCB board. The problem is inside your PCB board. So that's it guys. If you're facing these kind of errors in your air conditioner, so there is only single way to check step by step how you can fix out. That's it guys. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.